me so ready for it.
Hey, this is your girl Stephanie and
Little Mary right here.
and today we're going to Walmart
No, ya la ras.
to buy
Agarra un
some.
gusano de esos y ponte a bailar ahí.
Close to your face.
Huh?
Hey, go a little bit harder because you're close to your face.
Oh,
Because we're
Come to
Mexican,
MC.
so we gotta wait like the last minute.
That's good, that's good.
Okay.
That's good.
So
Vlog.
we have our dog Cindy with us. I'm on top. Sunday.
Mexican, everyone's last minute shopping. Seriously.
True.
Yeah.
But mainly us because we always do it
I
every
have to get
year.
home before 10 because my novela starts. I can't miss it and I try to wait at 12.
Just call Miguel to like recording, you know, because we got that spectrum. So we're passing by, well not really, but Party City. In this beach. Yes, we're gonna go to Walmart. Ooh, I don't even know what to get. Oh my god.
Me neither. We're probably gonna get random shit like always.
Yep.
Like not even on the budget.
Watching like not even be
It's probably gonna be fucking
some gifts. This is probably gonna be like something we need like right now. Or some school supplies.
What the fuck makes school supplies? School supplies.
So, yeah, I need school supplies because I'm always like missing a pencil or an eraser. Because last semester of the school, I didn't have an eraser. So sad. But you know, like, I don't care. Right?
It's fucking freezing cold out here.
I'm good.
I'm vlogging. Okay. People don't understand these vlog lives. Wanna come out? Wanna come out? Just step on my shoe. They're already dirty. You know, no one cares. Nobody gotta know. Oh my god. We're outside, like in front of our mental. We're mental. So it doesn't matter. Ooh, we are going into Walmart. Oh my god. It's be so weird. You know. I don't care because I'm a savage.
Look at the dogs and then just start barking.
Oh my god. I can't. Your girl's savage, so I don't care what I'm doing. I gotta prove George wrong because he said that I can't vlog. And look what I'm doing, George. Look what I'm doing.
Wait first.
And now you know the lady over there?
No. Hi, my name is Elizabeth Batista. You don't know how to my name.
She's so stupid.
You're stupid.
The chapa. The chapa. 1488.
Sweater?
No tengo dinero.
Thank you,
No
David.
tengo dinero,
Oh, yeah, I
María.
thought it was Target.
That's my mother.
These. What do you mean?
Okay. So,
Okay, so first thing on the fucking list, we don't have a list.
Let's have a chewy feed. Come on.
I don't know what we're gonna get, so we're just following our moms.
I got a burp. Excuse me. Wanna come out? Vlogger. Excuse me. No one's just looking at me like I don't exist. Well, I mean I don't, but like.
In this video.
Cindy is average. I'm just kidding. Cindy is average. Average enough to be savage.
She knows in that Logan. She's a
No.
Logan caller.
Get out of here. We're starting our own channel, so we can't be talking about them. Now it's all about us, okay?
It's about the little honeys.
Little honeys.
Okay.
Little honeys.
I'm already fucking tired of walking, dude.
My arms are getting tired. I don't know how people could do this. Like, just like, fuck. Okay. Can you see my face, or is it like, no?
This
Good,
one we need
good.
that little thingamajig on the top.
A mic?
No? Yeah, and it might. You have to fucking stop. I don't know what the fuck.
It's getting weird. Because it looks like
Oh my god,
people
yeah,
start school.
You guys want to go explore? You get this thing, that's it.
Okay,
Go explore.
Let's go explore.
Yeah, go
Are you
explore.
gonna take shit?
Go explore.
Maverick. Go to Maverick.
There's no Mavericks here.
Yes, let's go. Let's
So-
go, bitches.
Get away from me.
Get over here.
This you want to troll us
Straight
freaking
up, let's
blinking?
fucking record your pictures. You're like all the way up here.
That's why he's getting all of us stupid. Apparently she doesn't know how to freaking vlog. Then you hold the camera.
No, I had a dog.
Exactly what I thought.
I have anything.
So then just get
Where the fuck is
source.
this?
Yeah, what the? So my little sister likes to play with Barbies. So here's your Barbie, sister. Volg. She looks just like you.
I'll be able to. Oh, this one. Yes.
Oh my gosh, no, that's Fat Amy right there.
Ew.
That is.
Every doll is.
Fat Amy. Oh my god. Fat Amy, what are you doing with yourself? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Every
Oh my god. Oops. Sorry, not sorry, bitch. Oh my god.
Bitch,
Like,
2017 is almost over.
I don't know how to
Who
do
is
it.
she?
And they're just staring at us.
Quinceañera, no mames.
Quinceañera Barbie.
Who is she?
Oh no, holiday Barbie.
Oh no,
Wait, who
honey.
is she? Is she
2017 is
American?
almost over. Where's 2018?
Girl, get yourself some clothes, cause look at yourself.
Look at her arm.
No, honey.
You want Mrs. Potato Head?
We got Mister at home. No, you better
prefer this one than the other one.
Whoa, what is wrong with you?
Shut up.
She's so ugly.
They don't have the boy ones, so.
Why doesn't it focus? Focus on Dustin. Ew. Whoa, whoa. You don't even want no love. You know you want no love.
It's just fucking boring. We're trying to get kicked out.
Let's do something. Like something.
Nana, we should like meet on the cloud.
I don't think if we would have bought Princess, she would literally like stay on there.
Certainly can't because she's too big and she gets scared. So. Oh, if only that cat were here, we could have fucking put this on her. Oh my god, she's gonna be a.
Well, she's not, so keep wishing, honey.
She can't because she isn't on her.
Bakunas.
The shots yet.
Like, you know, shotguns. Just.
Can we go to the Can we go to the other side?
She's a little baby. Let's go this way. A little
people.
baby. They're like taking up the whole space. And babies.
Wait, where's the girls?
It's this way.
Where is
Yeah,
the
that way.
girls?
So,
Where is the girls? Where?
whatever, just go through here. Since there's no one, might as well.
We should get a Uno. Like you should probably go crazy on Uno.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Wow, you guys are so lame.
I'm trying to look for something, bitch. The fuck?
I know.
Oh, fucking $5 for
Almost at that.
We're like the ones from fucking Ralph's. I'm getting like scared and shit.
No?
That's like $30 each. The fuck?
I'm beautiful.
$30 for just one? Walmart, what are you doing?
We were just here. They don't have shopping shit there.
Yes.
No.
Want to be promoted, bitch, or what?
Yes.
Cause think
wants,
again,
like,
honey,
the
cause you
tag
win. He wants a pop tag. No, bitch. I mean, but that boy from Walmart.
Exactly.
I want the milk.
Oh my god, girl, you slaying. Ooh, yes, girl.
I want to let you.
Ooh,
Get
Do
it.
you want to let you?
no, I don't want that shit.
Get it.
Ooh, let's play some PS3 or what? Or is it Xbox?
Xbox One or what?
Yeah, it's like, you know, I be on Snapchat, I be like, no, honey, you're not cute. You don't even play that shit.
No, boo boo.
No. Think again, honey, cause you ain't cute.
Nana, how much is this?
She wish she was slaying like, ooh, yes. What's her name? Ginger Glitter Sparkles or what?
More like fat glitter sparkles.
It's actually Bridget Mendler. I'm sorry, that's not
Jojo Swan. Jojo Sewer.
Jojo Sewer Face.
Not that much.
Oh, that's She shouldn't even be on here. She should be like banned as fuck.
We should just go and deal with worms. He's scared of fucking worms.
Okay, so we are gonna go get worms and scare. Because I'm not even here, stupid. Oh my god. For real. Mom's fault for screaming at him. Dude, there's nothing to do at Walmart. Everything is just boring. I want to ride a bike. I want this purple one. Can I ride it? Hey, come help me. Okay, hold this. Record me.
Yay, I'm a camera holder.
I can't get it out. Oh, joke's on me.
Fucking idiot. They're not like the old ones, bitch.
You're making a scene.
So stupid.
You're making a scene.
Are you that
So
dumb?
you know, I never bought a bike for you. And I should have never buy one.
Look at this cute little
Ever
doggy.
again.
Her name is Cindy. She's so cute.
Stop. Okay.
You need to put that back, right?
I don't care. Because I'm a savage.
Chapa. Where are you going?
Go all the way over there. Give me this.
No. Wait, you're stupid as fuck. Back up. Oh, she's coming out of this. Shut up.
I can Safety first, duh.
How would you forget that? Safety first.
Okay, help me choose one now. Shimmer and shine, you know your girl got it. How do you put this on then?
Look, that girl from our Spanish class. So there. Brianna.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
I'm not gonna record it because you have it the wrong way.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Are you sure? It's not.
You're making a scene again. You fucking broke it.
You broke it. Are you sure? So it's like this. Estúpida.
Estúpida.
I think it's like this.
The battery's gonna die.
So you're gonna die.
No, the battery's gonna die. So how do you know? Oh yeah, fucking battery's dying, dude.
Man.
You take forever.
Go! Hurry up! You suck!
Fucking suck. You know what? That's how you know I am not meant.
She sucks, dude.
Someone told me to chill. So, tell me how long.
How long?
I don't fit.
Fit in there.
Are you sure?
Which one?
Bitch, you wanna fight?
Which one?
Where do I fit?
Fit down there.
There's a guy that works here. He's like,
I don't give a fuck.
He's doing his job, we're doing our job. For real. Now I'm gonna do his. Sorry. Fucking turn it on and it goes it goes reverse, dude. For real. Is it recording? Yes, it is.
Yeah, that's why I do clips, not a long ass video.
Clips?
That clip that went
You in a clip?
up to 3 minutes and
Okay,
cut it,
do it.
that's it.
So you have to skip the videos? Skip the baby.
Right here.
Bagel dance.
Bagel dance. Volg, ha. Where's she going?
I don't know where to go.
I'm gonna be with mom.
Okay. Oh! I'm a lost little nigger in Walmart. We're in line.
You got the thing for him?
Right here's a grinder thing. Like, it's like a grinder. How it holds it, this spins, and it holds it gently, and it's grinding it down.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, the moment when they had it, you put it in, they shoot it down.
See how long her nails are?
Then when they have,
Whoa. Ooh,
Look
they
at
even
that. Look at that.
painted.
then when they have, yeah, let's say clip
It's
of cement.
acrylic.
They have clip of cement.
Clippers? Like Clippers, the LA Clippers?
Suck my dick.
It's like the LA Rams. Suck my dick.
See, record off whose face.
The angels. I could do that. Okay. How about this nigga? How about him? What's his name? What's his face? Harvey? Okay. Hurricane Harvey?
Little Bill.
Ew. That's because you are a little bitch. Get Hurricane Harvey. I think he caused that. Look his big ass mouth and long ass forehead. Long ass forehead? What are you talking about? Him. Long ass forehead.
Where?
Long ass forehead.
For the sweater.
Whoa, look.
I got a hair.
Let's put that song. Down. Bam. I believe. Okay. Oh my god. Look at that. Donald face head ass. Giraffe looking ass. Good warm hair. Who?
You got me warm hair?
Oh, for real. My hair itches. I think I got piojos.
¿Rápido o qué?
¿Cagaste rápido? ¿Cagaste rápido?
Chorro, ¿no?
Forgot this. Wrap it up.
Yep, I did. Thanks to this.
They don't live in my pimples.
I'm not. So, are you gonna get one of those?
Okay, one of what? One of these?
Star Command. Come in, Star Command. Come in, Star Command.
Oh, look at this. Oh, one of those. I just want to rolly with the dab ranch.
¿Y dónde está?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Mañana venimos.
Twins! We found this twin!
No reniegue.
Donald Trump! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm speechless. That's the title for a video.
In Walmart. In Walmart.
Walmart.
So we're at Walmart and we found a boo.
We found the homie
Aladdin.
Ooh, we're Aladdin now.
Vamos a Target.
Tranquila, se va a pasar que no va. Tranquila.
The boo! Oh, I can't see his knee.
Si te gusta un toy de ahí lo compramos con tu dinero. Porque me voy a poner hasta las caras.
Guy from the liquor store. What's his name?
En la
This
casa.
is a boo! A boo! What you doing here, man? ¿Qué dijiste?
Que si ella quiere un toy lo vamos a comprar con su dinero, pero en la casa te va a dar las tarjetas y lo gastas tú acá.
Donald Trump looking at us.
Cuando la tarjeta tenga, ¿verdad?
Pero ya tiene 50.
So now we are leaving Walmart with my homegirl Chutney. See, my girl. She knows I'm good.
My sneakers in the bag.
I don't know. A boo.
What's that, Boo from
A boo
Simpsons?
thinking he's funny. My dog all scared now. Look at her.
Motherfucker.
Motherfucker.
Fuck you, asshole.
Good job, boo. Look at that. Okay. We'll see you at Target. So now we are going to Target. Fucking focus, you dumb bitch. Can you fit? No, I can't. Can you? It can't see Target. It doesn't fucking focus. Fucking focus.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Camera doesn't focus.
Focus on me.
I didn't did it.
Thinking I'm a fucking joke. I'm running. What?
Show me this thingy.
See, we're at Target, motherfucker. Motherfucker.
Last minute.
Look there.
Motherfucker.
Dude, I made it to a PG channel.
Exactly, that's right.
Bad word and shit.
Oops. Sorry, bitch. See, Michelle's.
Michelle.
Mitchell. AJ Mitchell.
Who's the doggy?
Too late? Never too late.
Look how you shit.
Toys, this guy, little boy. Listen.
My boy toy. Ooh. Get in here. Yeah.
That's disgusting. Come on, let's go.
Shelfie.
Let's go.
Dip. Ooh, slay. Slay.
Ustedes se callan en los hijos, no les importa. No, para mujeres no
¿Cómo se ve? What's bang?
Up. Here. Ooh, yes.
That's
ready for
Sriracha
that.
bag. You know what I'm talking about?
Versace.
I'm buying it anyways.
I'm not fucking buying it.
Mommy, where are you?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! When did my brother grow?
Where is she?
Oh, I found it.
Mama,
Una regañada.
A lo chingado. ¿Cómo te sientes? Feliz. Feliz, feliz, como un feliz. Another one. Fuck, make this shit a dress if you want. Shit. Them white Vans, you know what I'm talking about? Vans, sponsor me, bitch. Target, you must sponsor this video. Like, come on, sis. Oh, let's try this. Let's go. What you got with my sister? Mama. No, they don't leave. I fought with the girl. Let's go. Or not. Getting some hands.
A ver, ¿qué traes ahí?
I think they fit me, mommy.
Si se queda, se queda.
They're a Cornish maker. It works. It works. Milagros, Santa María, gracias. Get inside your motherfucking house.
Hablan muy feo, María. Yo por eso que yo no quiero andar porque me da mucha vergüenza.
Bye. Tiene vergüenza.
I'm not doing work.
A ver, ¿qué más?
I have a card, so I don't know how you're gonna pay for it.
Did you find her?
I can't see shit.
Scream out her name.
Mom, where are you? Up here. Mommy? Let's go with the orca over there, Feliz.
Where's the orca?
Go kick it in the face.
Stupid orca. It's a dolphin. You know, you're still an orca because you live in the ocean. Stupid. Hold it. Get it, Brenda. Get it, Brenda. Patricia. Get the fuck out of here, bitch.
Let's go.
Keep going on it. Hey, look. I'm a girl. Same thing.
Look at the bitch.
Mira nomás. Cindy, come on, Cindy. Mira, María. Mire.
But if you enjoyed watching our video, make sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notification. And also comment down below what you guys want to see us do in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So thanks for watching our vlog. See you in the next one. Bye.